This quick honest review is of the Nature's Rite Bruise, Strain, Tear, Repair Herbal Gel. Let me show you. This is a product from Nature's Rite. It's 200 milliliters in size, 6.8 ounces. It's used as a natural, it's a natural product. It's a herbal gel, as the says it's to enhance healing for any soft tissue sort of injuries, bruises, tendons, ligaments, anything like that. It just helps to speed up the healing process. They say the pro athlete's secret weapon. Okay, not sure about that, but yeah. So this is. It does have some pain relief cream in the ingredients. It's also muscle relaxer. I've been using this product for a while. I'm not sure if I've actually feel, again, it's one of these sort of natural products where you don't really know. It's not like you immediately feel, oh, that feels better now. You typically have to start using a product like this for a while to really start seeing the benefits. We basically have it's a gel. I'm just going to put a little bit on a. So it's just a gel color like this. There's no real sort of smell to it or anything. It's a gel, so it goes on pretty easily, rubs in. You can just rub it in, and it goes on pretty quickly. There's no what I do really like about it is it doesn't have the sort of like harsh smells like some of the other products do, where it's like, oh my goodness, what the hell have I just put on my shoulder or my arm or my knee or whatever it might be. So I really do like that about the product, that the smell is very, very subtle. I also really like that it's all natural ingredients. That's a big plus for me. I have used this for a while. It does seem good. I certainly don't have any negatives for it. So price point at around about $30. That might be a bit of a negative because it is quite, for the size and that, it is quite expensive. However, saying that, it's 200 milliliters. You don't need that much. So like I did there, you only need a sort of really just a small amount like that, and that'll be enough for do your whole shoulder and a knee or something like that. So it's a little does go quite far. I wouldn't say it goes a long way, but it does go quite far. It's got a lot of the ingredients. Arnica is a big ingredient in this product. White willow bark, rosemary, witch hazel. So yeah, this is all natural product, all natural ingredients. Really like that about it. So yeah, I'm sort of neutral, thumbs up for this product. Will I buy it again? Yes, I would. I think the biggest thing for me is all natural products, and it doesn't have any harsh smells. Like a lot of the various products do. That drives me crazy. So yes, I will buy this again. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.